Welcome back to my channel.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. Let me start by doing my eyes first, like I usually do. So, as you saw on the title, I'm starting a new challenge. I had a challenge during the lockdown. It's still lockdown now, but I think it was level 5 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I had a challenge there and I didn't really do so much research about it, so it didn't get as much attraction as I thought it would, but nonetheless I did it and I liked it. So I decided to do a challenge again now for accessories. So initially I wanted to do necklace only challenge, but I was like, no, this has to grow, because the reason we wear accessories is to enhance our outfits, to make them look good, to make them pop, you know. So I was like, you know what, let me just expand this challenge into, you know, accessories, like accessories from bags, shoes, jewelry, anything you can think of. I was like, you know what, I'm going to push myself, do something that no one has ever done, because I felt like the first challenge, it was similar to, I forgot the girl's name, but it was similar to hers because it had different challenges for every single day, which is good, and it's beautiful and it's creative and it makes people think on their toes. So I felt like that was what I wanted to do again for the next challenge. But now I'm like, you know what, let me not do that, because her challenge, it's similar to mine and I wanted to do something different. So hence I wanted to start this one of accessories, and this is the first one. This is the jewelry edition. Yeah, just thinking on my toes. So this is the jewelry edition, necklace edition. I mean, also jewelry, the necklace edition. And if anyone replicates this, can you please tag me and use the hashtag that I'll be using, so that I see your work, so that I can repost it. So I decided to finish this one eye off camera because your girl is taking forever. What was I saying? I can't remember. But the challenge that I did on Instagram was just on Instagram. So I was like, no, let me change things up and do the challenge on YouTube, because, you know, on Instagram you can't really speak into the phone other than captions. So I was like, you know what, let me do this on YouTube because I like it. And yeah, I was like, you know what, let me just do something different from other people and stick to my own lane, because you know, we try and imitate people, which is fine, but I wanted to make this one my own. I tried that one, but I was like, it's just too similar, although my hashtag was not, but it really was similar, not exactly the same. So I was like, you know what, let me just do something that is just me. hence what I came up with now, which is makeup is an accessory. So I just wanted to blend the two together to make it like one thing, and it came out really nice. Like I feel like this is something that I'll continue to do. Hence we have so many accessories, so why not play around? So with this look, I had the black. Actually, the other reason was because I wanted to throw away or give away my accessories that I haven't wore in, like, I think I have bought them and I never wore them, and they're out of fashion now. So I'm like, you know what, let me give them away. But I was like, before I give them away, let me do a challenge. So that's how it came about, and I'm happy and excited about it. So what I did is put a brown. Let me zoom in. What I did is put a brown first on top there. I put a brown on the crease, and then I put a black underneath, and then I put a black shimmer as well, just to make it pop a bit. And I'm going to do that again to put a shimmer right there on the black, not to make it so dull. I don't know if you can see the shimmer, but I can. I'll be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, and my color is Cappuccino 340. It's not focusing, but yeah, Cappuccino 340. So that's what I'll be doing. I wish there was a pump here, but there's absolutely nothing I can do now. And I have so many colors on my hands. I'm just going to put it here and dab, 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 dab. It looks a bit too yellow actually, but I think I'll be able to work with it. So you see some orange on my face. I used the color corrector because like I have so many tones on my skin, especially my lower face, like from under my nose to my chin. It's actually very, very dark. Not very dark, but yeah, it's dark. So I needed to find something to make it a bit alright. So I've updated actually my eyebrow routine, how I do my eyebrows. I don't use any color, any pencil, or tell me if you want to see an updated version of my eyebrow. So challenges are just not only fun to make videos fun, but I wanted to be more creative with my makeup application. I can do a lot of things, but I needed to, put more into my craft. I enjoy editorial kind of makeup. I find that so amazing. There's a magazine called The Hunger Magazine. I think it's based in the UK. The makeup that is there, it's so out of this world. Like it's different. It's edgy. It's playful. It's clean. Like it's not a take of your everyday makeup, which I like. I want to create more videos like that, not videos that are like your everyday, unless like you guys tell me that you need like everyday kind of makeup thingies, makeup applications, which I'll gladly do. I'll do it from time to time. Like today, I wanted the first challenge to be quite easy, quite everyday kind of makeup. Not every day you'll do a smoky black eye, but you know what, you catch my drift. So yeah, that's what I was trying to go for with the first one. And the second one, I'm not sure which necklace I'll be using, but yeah, I wanted to do black, with all that is going on in the world, in Africa especially. Oh my gosh, guys, I know I'm going off track now with this, but I don't know what else I could personally do with what is going on in Africa. It's a lot, guys, it's a lot. It's oh god, oh, I don't even know. Like, for me, like, I'm not a politician, I'm not someone big with influence, with money or whatever to make things better for other countries. Congo, Cameroon, what they've been going through the past couple of weeks is heartbreaking. It's what they're going through now. It's just heartbreaking, guys. Yo, I don't. Oh my god. So I wanted to dedicate this video to them, to Africa in general. Nigeria is going through a lot as well. South Africa, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Rwanda. A lot is going on in Africa, guys. Please pray for Africa. That's all we can do. We, like, people have no influence in politics. Like, that's all we can do, guys. Pray for these countries. Pray for them, include them in your prayers. Pray for the parents, and most importantly, pray for the leaders. You know, these leaders sometimes, not even sometimes, a lot of the time, they do things to benefit them, their pockets, and it shows. Because, you know, when you walk by yourself and not with God, you think you have wisdom, but you actually don't, because it shows in your actions. Like, how can someone with influence, someone who is supposed to take care of the country, of its people, go out and buy 7 Lamborghinis? 7. There's no sense in that. You can't praise. God also tells us we can't praise two things. It's either God or money, and money is the devil. That's what the devil does. You know, with oh gosh, I just need people to hear Africa cry and do something about it. That's all we can do, guys. Pray for Africa. Please pray for these countries, these leaders, the citizens, cause it's a lot for them too. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say about that before I get too emotional. So I'm using a dark brown pencil, eyebrow pencil, to line my lips, and then I'm going to take a nude kind of pinkish pencil to just go on to make an ombre kind of lip. So this pink will complement the brown that we did for our crease. My spray. Going to buy another Kholofelo. Just going to put on my lashes, and I'll be back with the final look. So guys, this is how the makeup look came out. Very subtle, very smoky. So I decided, because the neck piece is black, I should wear black. Hence I did a smoky black eye and my black afro. It's all out for you guys to see and enjoy this challenge that I did, and you participate. And if you do, please tag me, and please go with the hashtag accessorize your makeup. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you like how this makeup look, and if you like this challenge, if you think it's innovative and different and creative, please give me a thumbs up and give me a comment down below and tell me if you enjoy this video. And I appreciate every one of you for watching. I'll really appreciate it if you come back for my next one. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.